So is it live now? Let's check. Hello guys. Hey. Do voices clear? Do voice is clear now? Hey. What? Voice in just switching. Hello. Do voice is clear guys? Hey. Let me just check it. Let's hi chat. Hello. Do voice is clear? Let me just cross verify it. Hi. Hello. Okay, the voice is fine. The issue, is there any issue now? Okay, that's network issue, I guess. Okay, it's coming now, but the frames are getting dropped. Okay. Today that Wi-Fi has just malfunctioned now. Let me just check it if everything is working fine. Yep. As a whole, I think it's fine. So today we are going to solve this leetcode contest 492. So we have 5 minutes from here. Then so let's wait for the 5 minutes and let me just check. So guys, we are back for grinding now, and from today we will be grinding every day. It was a holy holiday, so took a break, and now we are ready to take on to this PSA challenge. Currently I'm at home, so a bit of network issues because there this network issue, it's like causing a hell of problems. But let's hope it's going fine. I hope the frames are not going to get dropped. Even a 4 Mbps constant speed will work fine. What just happened? Is the voices fine? Yeah, I thought that the voice has just snapped. So just 2 minutes. Who know? Who knows my blunder like that, which I did in that last contest? I was just scrolling the present contest, but somehow I just jumped into the previous contest and I attempted that contest. When I end up solving two questions, then I realized that I have attempted the previous contest replay. Guys, that has just happened me with me twice, and it was like how someone can be this much dumb at this network issue. It's like, so guys, 24 seconds to go. So I'll be staying at home for around a week, and then I will be moving to college. So I have decided that from today onwards, I will keep streaming every day. Okay, the contest has just started. So let's register and let's bring my iPad screen here because the code has to be hidden for the contest rules. Okay, what the heck? That 404 not found? Okay, let's directly open this question. Okay, so my iPad screen is visible now. Okay, yep. I guess that network issue, like there is network snapping. Yeah. Just a second. Okay, so let's go, guys. Today, I have thought of solving 3 questions. So let's go. Let's see how many questions we can solve. So the question is, let me just check. Okay, now it's 100%. That question is visible. So you are given an integer array capacity. Okay. Capacity of the ith box and integer and item size representing the size of that item. You are given array of capacity where capacity I represents the capacity of ith box and integer item size representing the size of an item. The ith box can store the item if capacity is greater than or equal to item size. Return an integer denoting the index of the box with minimum capacity that can store the item. If multiple such boxes exist, return the smallest index. If no box can store the item, return -1. Array, what is this? 0 1 2. 2 0 1 2, output will be 0. And what is this question? Okay, if no box can store the item, return -1. Okay, capacity should be greater than. Okay, we need to search for the minimum, right? Okay, I thought of something. Okay, we need to search something minimum here. We have to get first thing like 1537, and we have got an item size of 3. Okay, so do do 1 is greater than 3, and so I am getting an intuition of like um keeping two variable. One is smallest and other will be current. What's the heck? है ना? So so 3 will be like the point of comparison. So do 1 is greater than 3. So smallest will be uh int max. No, it will be int max, and current will be -1. So do 1 is greater than 3. Nope. So this is dropped. Do 5 is greater than 3 and less than smallest. If this is the condition, update the current to. Okay, I need to take index. Okay, 0 1 2 3. So I keep it 1. Then do 3 is greater than equal to 3. Yes, and less than smallest. Less than smallest. Smallest was 5. Okay, yes. So keep it 2 and update it. Do 7 is less than. No. So I think I can build it in order of n. So int smallest equals to int max, right? And index equals to -1. For int I is equal to 0, I less than capacity dot size. Okay, I plus plus. So this is the thing. Okay, if capacity of I is less than equals to item size. If this is the case, so here I got one thing. Smallest was int max. I got one. Sorry. That was the mistake. Greater than. Do the capacity of I is greater than or equal to item size. If this is the case, then I will check if What if capacity I is less than smallest? If this is the case, smallest equals to capacity of I and index equals to I. Okay, index equals to I. Return index. So do these test cases are going to run. So the first test case, it gives 0, it gives -1. It's working fine now. I hope everything is working fine. Let me just take one more custom test case. Then one for, and we have multiple occurrences 3. Okay, where I can add test cases. Come on. Okay, test 3. 0, 1, 2, 3. This is the case, right? Okay, if I make it to 2, if I make it 2, then it should let me 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I hope it's working fine, so I'm submitting it. Okay. Okay, this is accepted, and this was quite easy, in my opinion. Okay, so we have just gone through that first question, and now we have to like move for the fourth question, right? Sorry, not fourth question, second question. What I'm saying here. Question 1 is done. Okay, question 1 is done. So let's move to second question. Okay, find the smallest balanced index. Okay, we are moving to the second question. Find the smallest balanced index. Okay, so you are given an integer array nums. So we are given like integer array nums, है An index I is balanced if sum of elements strictly to the left of I equals to the product of the elements strictly to the right. Okay, we are dealing here with the products, and it's medium question, so it's gonna cost us some time. So what to do here? Hmm. Uh, to be honest, at this point, I'm not getting any intuitions. I need to like go to my iPad screen and just start doing. So I have a question here. First, 2, 1, 2. What do I need to maintain? What to I need to maintain the sum and the product. So I can pre-compute sum and pre-compute product, and it should just keep dividing. I hope this approach works fine. Sorry guys, slightly I'm not well, but that's fine. So we are given an array and we have to find the balanced index. Okay, and we are not sure if any balanced index return like exist. Okay, there are no elements to the left. The sum is, if there are no elements to the left, if there are no elements to the left, sum is considered to be zero. Okay, and similarly, if there are no elements to the right, the product is considered as one. Okay, so when we'll be at the boundary, when we'll be at the right boundary, the sum, sorry, the product will be one, and when we'll be at the left boundary, the left sum will be zero. And as we move towards the right, Anna, got it? Okay, that's fine. So let's go for it. So we got it. This is the array, and I think I should pre-compute the sum. Anna, pre-compute the sum. It will be 2, it will be 3, it will be 5. Pre-sum, and it should be pre-product. Pre-product from right or left? This is pre-sum from left. है I should call it, I think I should calculate pre-product. Like यहाँ से यहाँ तक का product है ना? Yes, this is. So this will be 5. 3 is a 15. 15 is a 30, right? So this will be 0, 1, and 2. So I'm at this index. So the sum, when I am at this index, the sum has to be 0 according to the question it is given. I think I should not start it from here. Why? But in one case, can it be like if there is only one element, so the left sum will be 0 and the right product will be 1, so that case will also be like nullified. Okay, so I just have to start with first index. So at index first, what we are having at index first, the sum is 3, right? Oh shit, I have just pre-computed the product of this array only. So this will be 2, 2 ones are 2, and it will be 2 twos are 4. So we are here in this index. The sum is like 3 and what? And the product will be 2. Sum is 3, the product is 2. Left sum. Okay. I have to just minus the current minus. Do I have to subtract the current element? Yes. Current element. Okay, I think uh okay, I think I just got the solution. Let me just do this for second case, test case. 28225. So this is the array, and I have to compute the sum from the left. 2 will be 2, 8 to 10, 8 to 10 to 12 to 14, 5, 17. This is the sum. I need to calculate the product, right? Product from the right. Product from the right. So 5, this will be 5, 2s are 10, 2s are 20, 160, 320. And I'm not going to start from 0th index. This will be 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So I'm here. So the left sum will be current sum, like this current sum minus this. So okay, L sum, this will be index L sum right product है ना. I is equal to 1 for left sum will be 10 minus 8, this will be 2, and for this upon this will be 16. Okay, I have to just divide it. This is not equal, I move forward. Now the L sum will be 10, right? L sum will be 12. It's 200, and this will be what? 200 divided by 2. So it will be 100. Right product. Yeah, it should be 20. What the heck? Yeah, it should be 20. So yeah, we got it. So 10. So we have found this thing equal. So I guess this is the right approach. So let's code it up. Okay. Okay. So let's code it up now. I think I have got this thing. So vector int sum, this is the thing, and vector int product, right? Point I is equal to 0, I less than nums dot size, and I plus plus. So okay, let's pre-compute the sum first. So sum of I, let me just like give them 0 comma nums dot size. And do I need to assume the product 1, right? 1 comma nums dot size. Okay, this is done. I need to start with post index and sum of 0 equals to nums of 0. This is done, right? So sum of I plus sum I equals to sum of I minus 1 plus nums of I. This is the case like this. Sum of I will be like 2 plus 8. Okay, it's fine. So that sum array is computed. Now for int I is equal to nums dot size minus 2, I will be greater than equal to 0, I minus minus. Okay, let me just take the constraints first. Okay, I think that integer overflow will occur because the sum's length is 10 raised to the power 5 and this thing. Do I need to do some modulo of this thing? Hmm. uh, or can I, instead of looping this, can I like store the product, like whole product in one go? Let me just check it. Whole product is like what? I will never move here. So I need to just have a product of this thing. Okay, that product was a mistake. So yeah, 5 to the 10 to the 20, 160, right? It was the 160. So I can store the product is equal to 160. And when I'm moving, and I can just have what? I can just have product like 160 upon 10, that will be 16. Divided by 2, it will be 20. 20 divided by 2 will be 10. 10 divided by 2 will be 5. So yeah, that space complexity. In this way, I can also reduce the space complexity of this as well, or what? At this place 2, at this place I can reduce the space complexity only. When I'm moving, I can just move from here and 2. Okay, sorry. It's 2. When I am moving here, it will be 10. I'm moving here, it will be 12. When I'm moving here, it will be 8 to 10, 12, 14. So I can just eliminate that. Okay, guys. There is just a change of logic here. I need to take long sum equals to nums of 0. This is the thing. Long product is equal to 1. This thing. And okay, I need not to have product, not sorry, sum, but I need to pre-compute the product, right? What is this? So let's pre-compute the product. int I equals to 0, not 0, it will be starting with 1, I less than, okay, I less than nums dot size, okay, and then I plus plus, so, okay, I need to take int index equals to -1, and then I have to return index, ठीक है. So this is the product, this is the thing. So if any index if some equals to return index, otherwise sum plus equals to nums of I and product equals to nums of I, right? Let's hope this solution works. So 212, it's giving me output -1, and for here shit, okay, return I will be there, है ना? What what is this? Sum is equal to nums 0, and we are starting with why it's not working, still giving me -1. That is something wrong here. It's num 0, sum is this one, this is this. Nums of nums dot size minus. Okay, this is the thing. Then should start with -2. This is also fine. Then index is -1. Still returning. Okay, no need to like have index here. If okay, so one thing. I'm doing some nums 0. This. Okay, it's working fine. So why this is still returning me -1? Uh, Let me just typecast it. Still giving me Now it's giving me some error. Wait. -1. Okay, in every test case, it's giving me -1. So it means my at first place, it's not running. So I have this is the thing here. I equals to 0. A greater than equal to 0. Minus square to predicting the downside. Okay, this is fine. Then one destination sizing displays. Why? For the next iteration, every time this is missing one line here. It's sometimes like it's hell debugging our own code. I have written the code and now I'm debugging it. See, what I did wrong. Ah, oh my goodness. That has just I have just overcomplicated it. I would have just used that space at the first place. I tried to like, why it's running here and there. Okay, let me just fall back to my space complexity, like where the order of 2n will be required. Long, uh, some the long region, right? Okay. It will be n comma 0, right? Suffix sum n, right? I need to calculate the product from the right. That product is done. Suffix I equals to suffix I plus 1 star num plus 1. So the product state will be maintained here. Sum equals to 0, right? Now bound sum equals to 0, right? So I think this is gonna like build my solution. This coding part is sometimes like hell. Like if sum I equals to product I, then I will be returning I. Otherwise, what the thing will be there? Nah. Okay, this I hope now this is gonna work fine. Again, it's returning me minus 1. Why? Why it's returning me minus 1 again? Why it's returning me minus 1? This is right. Yeah. Okay, yeah. Why why it's not getting that right index? What I'm missing here? What I am missing here? Did I miss something? Still, okay. This was the mistake or what? I think this is causing some problem here. That's the okay, one, two, it's minus one. One, it's two, it's minus one. Arey yaar, this one line of bug that has just made me mad. Just I was just furious why it's not working. Everything is working fine. I have just dry ran it and working, but at the code, it's not working. So I have learned things. What just happened here? Okay, that pain was gone. Okay, let's submit it and let's hope it works. Uh, I knew this integer overflow. Now, how do I counter that? How do I handle this integer overflow? Yaar? Now this is like approaches. Perfect system. Right. That bug. That integer overflow. Oh my goodness, yeah, this integer overflow is gonna like how do I handle it? How uh, it's the timer 41 minutes still left and I don't know if I can do it in like 30 minutes. Third question. Mm, now it okay. Everything is fine, but this integer overflow has occurred, so I need to like optimize my solution because the values are like they are overflowing the boundary of the long. So what I can do, some product, uh, there can be okay. So finally I can just take one observation that if that product is greater than this sum, then I can just do something. Uh, yep, because in that case, there will be no possible answer, and calculating that product will be like useless. So what do I need if and if the product is greater than product upon nums, then product will be of no use, useless to calculate. That's the thing. Okay, so keeping in mind, uh, code it up. I just need to change one thing here, that where I am the product, I just need to update. Just I have to add two lines, and then I think it will be done. So let's do it, and let's see. Let me do it. Yeah, same thing I'm doing. Yes, Ajay. Same thing I'm doing. I'm just taking maximum long limit, and if it exceeds the limit, there is no use of like pre-computing the product anymore. So I'm just limiting it. Yeah, thanks for suggesting it, but I got it in right now. So let's do it. Mhm. Okay, so let me just check if it works. I hope it works. Let's submit it. Okay, so it's working. So guys, question 2 is also done here. So let's move to third one. Question 2 is done. So guys, two questions are done and I have just like 35 minutes left. I have just got one bug. Penalty time 5 minutes for each round submission and I think I got two. Did I got two? Here also I got one. Let me see the rankings. 9535. Okay, question two. I got the bug for the question two. Oh, okay, not an issue. Let's move to the third question. And the minimum cost to partition a binary string to sort a string. Minimum operations to sort a string. So this is it. Let's. Hmm. So this is the question. So you are given a string as consisting of lowercase. Okay, I got the lowercase English letters. In one operation, you can select uh, any substring of S that is not the entire string and sort it in ascending alphabetical order. Okay, return the minimum number of operations required to make S sorted in ascending order. If it's not possible, return -1. Why do this question looks like a graph? Hmm. Okay, not. I'm not going to like overwhelm it. Option D, O, G, right? So, okay, so I got this thing. Now, like I can just pick a substring and arrange it in ascending order. So sort substring OG to GO, DGO. Now S is equal to DGO is sorted in ascending order. Thus the answer is 1. CARD. Okay. Sort substring like car to ACR, then RD. Then RD will be taken. This, yeah, RD. How do I like? How do I decide? Like, I have to get the number of partitions. 10 raised to the power 5. So, if I got the length of 2, then it will be impossible. Impossible only if it is sorted in, like it is not sorted. If it's sorted, then no problem. Okay, so how do I hmm, like I'm not getting that intuition in the first place. uh, Intuition, like this thing. Okay. How do I get the intuition? Sky values. Hmm. If uh, if they are unsorted, um, same thing. Minimum operations to sort a string. So this question, I'm not getting any hint. Like I'm not getting any intuition at the first place. Like how to jump into the solution. Yes. How to approach this question? Yeah, I'm not getting any intuition at the first place. Let's check that fourth question if I can just touch it. So this is the question. String must be partitioned into segments. Initially, the entire string forms a single segment. Okay, bro, I'm not getting this question. I wanted to solve this one, but I'm not getting any intuition at this first place. Still thinking about the solution, like still recognizing the pattern. I'm able to solve two questions like in around 1 hour. I just need to make sure that I'm like doing things quickly. Sometimes I'm just debugging my own code, like some small bug. In the previous question, there was just a small bug. I have just assigned that initial value and which was breaking the solution. And here, and in this question, honestly, I'm not getting any intuition, like how to just get into the solution. Um, like how I will decide the partitions. I know I have to take a substring, sort it, and then take another substring, then sort it. And I think the answer will be the number of substrings required to solve the right to sort the string. This thing I have got, and rest of the thing needs to be figured out. Do you guys have any like suggestion? Like how can I approach? Because I'm not getting the intuition here. The end part, like the number of substrings, how I can calculate that number of substrings required. Sometimes these struggling things, I like the struggle, but when I'm just choking here, it it hurts a bit. Like if I'm sitting on any online assessment and the same thing happens, that will be like a real pain. But let me think. CART. If I am calculating the ASCII values, if I'm calculating the ASCII values, this will be like it will be 97. It will be 97 ABC. It will be 99. 100. It will be 100, right? And this will be around. I'm not just calculating it. Like take it just 120. Take it just 120. Getting that substring is the big question. Like how to determine that subsequence. So no, it's not subsequence, substring. Hmm, How to get that thing? Yeah, that is the whole damn question. Uh, like I'm getting 99, 97, 120. So I can just have like in this window, if I'm thinking in this window, it's 99, then 97, and 120 here. So the one with the largest. But that is not, that doesn't make any sense. Do you guys have any suggestions? Any suggestions, guys? Chat, do you have any suggestions? Yeah. I thought of solving three questions, but this third question, like, I think now these two questions will be done only. That third question, 22 minutes are left, and I don't think I'm gonna do like in this fucking 22 minutes. Do you guys also suffer like this? Like when you are solving questions and you just got stuck? So easy. This question has got some level. Yeah, I know. This question got the level for sure. And when after the contest, when I will look into this question, I will be saying, damn, this I knew, but it just didn't click at the time. Do you guys also suffer like this? Tell me, bros. Boys. 1 minute, guys. Did something happen? Here I am stuck. Guys, do you have any suggestions like how to approach this one? Because I'm done doing this question. Do you guys have any suggestions? Question 2 is done, and I couldn't make 3 questions today. I will like I will see this thing. I will grind more. I have to like get into these types of questions like swapping and all those because uh, many times they are causing me problem. Like they are making me struggle. So this question, guys, do you anybody has solutions, bro? To my voice is clear. I need to just check. Hey guys, voice is clear. Hi chat. Am I audible properly? Let me just confirm it. So guys, I'm done doing this question. Today I thought of solving 3 questions but end up solving only 2. Because this question, like I'm not getting any intuition. I'm not able to jump into the solution at the first place. Actually, I'm not able to recognize this pattern only. I need to take care of the audio. Sometimes it's lagging, sometimes it breaks in between, but no problem. So guys, how many of you just solved this question because I'm done solving? I thought of having done 3 questions but end up solving only 2. So let's just wait for the contest to wrap up and then we will look into this question. Can you guys tell me which pattern it is? Like I'm not able to get this pattern. In the previous contest also I just managed to solve 2 questions only, and in this contest as well. Okay, 17 minutes to go and then we will look into this question for now. Okay, that pattern recognition is the key, but that's the thing. I have to I have to look into this pattern because it has just caused me some real issue. I need to get this. I need to master these swapping patterns. These questions are allegedly giving me nightmares. I thought of solving questions, three questions, but yeah, I couldn't manage to do all these. Do you guys also feel same like sometimes you get an unexpected or unusual pattern? Like you are not able to like jump into the solution. In this question, I'm not able to think. I just got to know like the number of substrings we chose will be the answer, but I'm not able to figure out how many number of substrings, like how to get that substring. I know uh, there is some permutation and combinations is involved here. I'm getting the inside, but I'm not getting the core pattern, not the proper intuition. How many of you guys solved this question? Guys, just tell me if you can just tell me the pattern or something which will be helpful. I'm also grinding like you, like getting better at DSA. Come on, guys, do comment and just tell me, guys. Have some chat. I just want to genuinely talk to you guys. So I'm waiting for the contest to wrap up so that I can look into this question. And first, if you guys have just solved the questions, like you have solved the contest, you can just have some chat with me. I'm eager to connect with you guys. Oh, guys, let's go. 12 minutes are still left. Okay, let me just open some. Let me just go through this pattern because I'm not to be able to solve this question and I have just given up. So, just, okay. What do you guys use to study? Like, I use Chat GPT. Today, guys, my Wi-Fi is also like not cool. Today, my internet connection is down, so it may be, do my voice may be breaking a bit, but I have just managed to do it. And yeah, so lead code like what? Minimum number of operations, minimum number of operations to sort a string pattern and intuition step by step and observations and questions from easy to hard level to build clarity and mastery, right? So guys, let's get the solution. Like I'm not gonna copy this, but I'm going to study the pattern. Okay, the typical formation is to choose an index I and move Si at the end of string. I need to copy the problem statement as well, I think. Then only it will work. Gosh. Okay, I will be getting both the insights. Okay, so we have got some observations here. Minimum number of operations, like typically formation repeatedly choose an index I and move Si to the end of the string. Determine the minimum operations required to make string non-decreasing sorted. Like we have got S is equal to CBA. So CBA, BAC, or ABC answer equals to 2. Okay, this is the thing. Sorting a string means characters must appear in non-decreasing lexicographical order. Yep. Uh, Instead of thinking about moving characters, think about which characters can stay in place. Keep the largest possible subsequence that is already sorted. Everything else must be moved. Operations is equal to n minus length of longest sorted subsequence. Mm, the subsequence must be non-decreasing. If the string is already sorted about operations. Subsequence. ACBD sorted target ABCD. Which characters already appear in sorted order? AC B. We have got the question CBA sorted. Do we got any sorted subsequence CBA? Longest length is 1, so we will be having 3 minus 1. Okay, we are getting the length of the longest sorted subsequence. Okay, 7 minutes are still left. A longest non-decreasing subsequence. When a character breaks sorted order, breaks relative order to D, either move D or move B. Optimal should keep the largest order subsequence. Everything outside it must be moved. A, B, and D. Move D or move B. Like, I think it's like a bit of complex kind of thing. But yeah, I will get into this. Increasing difficulty. Yeah, today I will take this thing. Yeah, today I will just look into this pattern. Let me just see my rank. Mhm. I know it must be dropped. Yeah, 10906. That bug was. I just took that bug. Okay, it will be around what? Hmm. Check if it reduces to n minus lis longest increasing subsequence. Okay, then it is lis family. Okay, that lis. Maybe it is of DP or like greedy one. Hmm, we will think. Sorry, not think. We will get to know. But for now, it's done. So 4 minutes are left, and then we will see the final rankings. Sorting, substring only variants. We can. Hmm, do we have CBA? Eh, I just need to check one thing. I just need some test cases. CBA, what it give? Like -1 or something. Expected not available. This is the thing. Leave it. Still, I'm not going to solve this question. So let's get back to this thing. Any of you guys have solved this? Can have you guys solved this question like this one? Minimum operations to sort a string, because I could not get any tuition, so I will be solving it after the contest. So guys, today we have managed to solve two questions. Let me see my rankings. They might be around 12 to 13k. Yeah, it is going 12 to 13k. Yeah, the contest has just ended, and we have just ended up solving two questions. Anna, this is the first problem. So this is the solution which I submitted, and it is like solved. And then we have the second question. Uh, yeah, this is done. I just want to see something. Uh, so guys, how many of you guys solved this question? Who's in the chat? So okay, just solve two questions. That's great. That's great. And I thought of solving like two questions, but ended up solving only two. But that's not an issue. Getting better at this thing, so that's not gonna like uh that's not a area of concern. The area of concern is learning. I'm still learning. I'm still learning the like patterns and all these. So I will come back stronger next week. Okay, next week we have two contests, weekly and bi-weekly, so we'll be having a pretty good time. Yes. Yep, we have to go, keep going. So guys, hi guys, how are you? Like How many guys have solved this question? Like chat, how many of you have solved like minimum of two questions and three questions? Like how many of you solved two questions? Did you solve this question? This one. Sorry. This third one. How many of you guys have solved three questions? This question, sorry. Because I thought of solving this question, but ended up not getting any intuition. Like I was totally blank for this question and the whole contest time. But I will look into this question and its pattern and try to like have a grip of on this. But that's great. Like I enjoy solving the questions. This was just a challenging question. So guys, now it's time to go. Yeah, it's time to go now. Do you guys have any questions? Do you guys wanna say something? Because I want to go and go for other things like learning other subjects as well. So this TSA part for the like today's Sunday, yeah. So Sunday part, the contest part is done, and now I'm going to go for some other topics. है ना? Yeah, I'm chill, bro. I'm chill. I'm happy that I'm learning. If you're failing here, if you're failing at the practice, that's a good sign that you are doing something. Hmm. So today's session is just wrapped up with two questions. So next time I'll be like coming with like a great like a more what to say. Like so guys, bye bye. Take care and now I'm signing off. I hope I will be coming live in the evening. Let's see if the time permits or as you know, I am at home, so I like everybody got a couple of stuffs at home. So sometimes we do not get time. Sometimes we went out with friends because we are here. Like I'm here for some only some days, so I can just like give a more friends because when I'm at college, I don't go anywhere. I don't do anything. Like I just focus. So at home, I